Hello friends, in my previous video I have explained completely about equations and linear equations. Now I am solving a linear equation. Here an equation is written on this board, but by this equation you will learn many things like opening of the bracket, how to open the bracket, then the addition or subtraction of integers, also division of integers. Means to solve one sum you need all basic knowledge of maths which you have done in earlier classes. So I revise it here as well as I am solving this equation. So opening of bracket you know, then also I will explain. Here the equation is 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 equals to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. The numbers which are written outside the bracket we have to multiply with both the terms or numbers. Here also we have to do the same. So we have to open three brackets here. Two brackets are in LHS and one bracket is in RHS. So first I open this bracket. This is 3 into 5. 3 5 ja 15z and 3 7 ja 21 and minus sign. So 15z minus 21 minus 2 9 ja 18z and minus sign, and minus 2 multiply with minus 11 become positive 22. Product of two negative integers is always a positive integer. So minus 2 multiply minus 11 became positive 22. This point you have to remember. Then open this bracket, 4 8 are 32z and 4 multiply minus 13 minus 52z. Product of a positive integer and a negative integer is always a negative. Then minus 17 remains the same because it is written outside the bracket. Then you have to see the terms which are having variables. The terms which are having variable, you transpose them in LHS, and the numerals you transpose in RHS. So in LHS 15z minus 18z minus 32z. 32z is positive, so we transpose in LHS becomes negative 32z. Then numerals are minus 52, minus 17, write the same because they are in RHS and now also. Then transposing minus 22 became minus 21 became plus 21 and plus 22 became minus 22. Now simplify them. 15z minus 18z, or simple way you think 15 minus 18 will be minus 3. The sign will be minus 3 because the greater number 18 and 15, when you compare without sign, then 18 is greater than 15 and 18 has negative sign. So it will be minus 3z. Minus 32z we have written just like that, and here minus 52 minus 17 became minus 69 because when we add two negative integers we have to add the integers and sign will be minus only. In two negative integers we add them and sign will be negative only. And here 21 minus 22 will be minus 1. Same thing is there. 21 and 22, 22 is negative and it has negative sign, so by subtraction the sign will be of the greater number, so minus 1. Then minus 69 minus 1 become minus 70 because two negative integers, so we have to add and sign will be negative. and this side minus 3z, minus 32z, minus 35z. Same thing is happening here also. Two negative integers, so we have added them and sign will be negative, but it is the algebraic term, so z should be written. Then z equal to minus 70 divided by minus 35. Why? Because minus 35 is here multiplied with z, so it will divide minus 70. So minus 70 divided by minus 35, we get 2. So z equal to 2 is the solution of the equation. You have seen that how many lots of knowledge required to solve one equation. You think that just we have to solve the equation, so we should know the transposing. Alone transposing is not enough. You have to know the opening of the brackets, also the operation on integers. Operation on integers you should revise nicely. The addition of integers, subtraction of integers, multiplication of integers and division of integers. So I hope you have understood all these things by explaining this sum. So if you like this video, then please share, subscribe and like my channel.